So we are going to do a new thing called random fridge beer. I'm going to either get one from my upstairs or my downstairs beer fridge and try it. Some of these beers have been in here for a long time. I have not even tried all the beers that are in my beer fridges. So the first one I'm going to do this time is going to be a peanut butter porter. Saugatuck Brewing Company. Smooth and creamy. So we'll try this one out. And so we are going to be trying this peanut butter porter from Saugatuck Brewing. I've never had this one. I got this one, somebody left it here from a party, and they just left me a magic beer fridge, beer in my fridge. So I'm going to try it and see how I like it. I always enjoy a nice peanut butter porter. Smells kind of like a Reese cup. It's way more peanut butter than chocolatey or coffee or any of the dark roasted flavors. All I get is peanut butter. But it's enjoyable. I can drink this. Cheers. We'll see you later.